Bring back the pipes? No.
I really want to see those dolphins.
I did add a new sound effect though, yeah, yesterday, which I think some of you noticed.
My personal favorite is Vine Boom, the sound effect of champions.
Can you play your least favorite sound effect? Did she just crash? Okay, never mind. Right, yeah. Why is that one your least favorite?
It's so overused that it's become kind of dull for me, which is why Vine Boom has overtaken it.
I gave you access to like a buzzer.
Don't worry. I know where the buzzer is.
And I think it would be the funniest shit if I said something that was like, you know, like, oh, I'm a really talented at this game. I'm really talented at this game. So that's the part where you use the buzzer sound effect. Take your time. I know it's probably hard to find the sound, but yeah, go ahead.
Ahaha.
Yeah, that was a good one. So let's try that again. Wow, I am so good at this game.
There, I hope you're happy now.
Yeah. Okay, and here's the thing. I think that'd be funny. Next time you're doing like a collab with someone and they say any sort of statement like that, I just want you to do 5 of them in a row.
Like that.
Like, that'd be the funny. That'd be really funny. So that's, you know, you've got some training. You've got some training that needs to happen, but I believe we can do it.